Alright dosto, welcome back in this video. This is my 26th video of my 30-day video challenge series where I was supposed to make daily one video for the next 30 days, and I completed my 26th day and I'm feeling so happy, feeling so proud, grateful and feeling so awesome. So okay, in this video we are going to talk about fear of losing. Before that, let me share my yesterday I was watching this seminar on the internet. This seminar is conducted by Dr. A. Velumani. Dr. A. Velumani is the founder of Thyrocare company name. And in that seminar, that seminar is totally on Hindi. In that seminar, I learned 2-3 things that is changed my perspective towards the life, towards how to achieve greatness. So let me share that 2-3 things which I touch my heart and my mind. Number one is why you are afraid of losing. If you do not have to lose anything, it means you are a king. You can achieve anything. So he compared this thing in the max formula. They said, like, if your delta is equals to x1 minus x2 and your x1 is 0, now what you will lose? Your delta is equals to something. तुम्हारे पास खोने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, तो डर किस लिए रहे हो कुछ अचीव करने को. I highly recommended you go and watch that seminar. Just go and Google it, Dr. A. Velumani Sahab, and you will find the great presentation by Dr. A. Velumani Sahab. Alright, the second thing which I learned from that, they said in Hindi, बड़ा होना है कि बुढ़ा होना है. You have to decide. If you want to, you have to decide. You want to become a bigger or you want to become a old. I converted Hindi, I converted English, I don't know how. See, bada hona hai ki buddha hona, you have to decide. Like these things they ask by themselves. When they are doing the job, government job, they ask themselves like कि मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में, बड़ा होना है कि बुढ़ा होना है, and they decide कि बड़ा होना है. Then they took action, they plan, they take risks, and they achieve now the great things in life. I highly recommend you to go and watch that video, that seminar. And number 3, which I learned from Dr. A. Velumani Sahab, is that is take risks. Without risks, you can't do anything. And I'm building the confidence to take big risks in my life. And of course, at the same time, you have to plan, you have to implement, you have to change yourself. It's so very important. I will telling you, change yourself. If you want to do something great in your life, you have to change yourself first. That's the only way to achieve more results in your life. Alright, so let me tell you my thoughts about fear of losing. See, fear of losing is, according to me, people who fear, people who thought like I will lose whatever I have if I take risks. It means that person is not yet capable. It means that person is not yet powerful. That person mind is not yet strong. If you have a strong mind, you will do not afraid of losing. You will say like, it's okay if I lose everything, I will stand again. So before taking action, before taking risks, if you're taking risks with this thought, what if I lose? Please don't take risks. You will definitely going to lose. But once you make your mind like, no matter if I lose everything, I will stand again. I have a capacity, I have the ability that I can achieve again from zero, from scratch. So my highly recommended to you, if you want to become an entrepreneur, if you want to do something great, then you have to thought like, if I lose my everything, if I fail very big, fail very badly or fail very miserably, I will start again and I will do something great in my life, because I know myself, I'm capable and I have a capacity, I have the ability to learn again, to fight again, to build again. If you have this thought, then only you will do something great in your life. So this is my one thought, like how to take risks and the fear of losing. If you let me repeat again, if you take risks with this fear, like what happen if you lose, do not take risks. But if you got the confidence, but you got the energy that it's okay if you lose everything, you will do again, you will start again, you will do something great in your life, then my dear friend, no one gonna stop you, no one gonna beat you, because you are the rare person of like those 20% people who achieve 80% result in their life. You have become a that category person. So alright, this was my thought about fear of losing, about taking risks, and about my two learnings about what I learned from that seminar. So I highly recommend it. So I highly recommended you to watch that seminar on YouTube. Go and just type Dr. A Value Money or slash or thyroid care company. You will write. You will write, just simple write Dr. A Value Money Sahab. You will get the seminars in the you will get the seminar. Must go and watch that seminar to change your perspective, to change your thought towards life, towards your success. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will meet you on the next video with the more power. I do not want to share what happens today with my family, but it's okay. लाइफ में ऊपर नीचे आएंगी चीज़ें. You have to be committed. You have to hustle, you have to work on yourself. I will meet you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.